Hi, friends. How's everyone doing today? Great. I'm so excited to get going with a new foundations lesson. Are you ready? Okay, let's do our warm up. Repeat after me when Baby Echo looks at you. A, apple, a. D, d. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. J, j. O, octopus, ah. U, up, sh, ship, sh. Ang, fang, ang. Ing, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, lung, ung. Great job. And now let's look at those bossy R control. Remember, this is where the pirate comes out because when there's an R there, it takes control. Here we go. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. And these three sound the same. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Ouch, you don't want to get burned. Okay, the pirate's going away. And today we are going to be talking about closed syllables. So remember, words have parts that go together and they're called syllables. A syllable is a part of a word that can be pushed out in one breath. Like some of these words are just one syllable, one breath. Cat, hat, no, red. One little breath pushes out, and when I push out the breath, my chin goes down. Cat. And some words have more than one syllable, so my chin goes down more than once because I push out more than one breath. Like peanut. When I say that word, I have to push out two breaths, and I feel my chin go down twice, so it has two syllables. Today, we're going to be talking about a certain type of syllables. There's actually 6 different kinds of syllables. And most of the words we've done so far have been closed syllables. So take a look at this word. What does the word say, my friends? Good. It says bat. So we know that it's a closed syllable because it has one vowel only and it must be closed in after. That wouldn't be closed. We need this consonant closing it in, shutting the door. And a closed syllable gives the vowel the short sound. So the A says ah in bat. Now take a look. If we get rid of the B, there doesn't have to be a consonant at the beginning. For something to be closed in, the door closes after. Okay, so this is still closed in. Doesn't matter if anything is before it. It's one vowel closed in, and it makes it the short sound. So this word says at. Let's look at another word. The vowel can be closed in by more than one consonant. Here's 2 consonants, a digraph. What's my word now? Bath. Bath. Let's look at some more words. I'm going to spell away bath. B-A-T-H. Okay, let's look at this word. Can you read it to me? Such. You're such a good reader. So what do you think? Is this one closed in? One vowel, closed in with at least one consonant. Yes, so the U is a short sound. Very good. Let's do another. It's important we put our letters back in the right spots on our board. I made a mistake, but I fixed it. Okay, let's look at this word. Is this closed in? What do you notice? One vowel, closed in by at least one consonant. So it's a short I. What does the word say? It. It. Yes, this is a closed syllable too. Let's look at another one. Okay, how about this word? Is this closed syllable? Oh, why not? Here's our vowel. One vowel. It's not closed in. It's left open right here. So this is not closed. We need something after the vowel. Yes, this word says she. Very good. Okay, let's look at one more word right now. How about this word? Is this a closed syllable? Oh, why not? Right, there's two vowels. Two vowels are a different type of syllable. It is closed in, but it's not closed syllable. This would be, what's that word say? That. Very good. Okay, so I think we need to talk about the marking. And the reason that we do marking is because it helps our brains really think about the syllable types, and it helps us with our spelling and our reading and our writing. So let me grab my handy dandy whiteboard and show you. Okay, so if I had the word cat, at, here it is, to mark the syllable, we scoop the syllable. So we start from the beginning and we scoop it so we know that that is one syllable. And did we think it's closed? Yes. Closed starts with a C. So underneath the syllable, we put a little C to show that it's closed. And since it's a short vowel, we put something called a breve over the top. A breve looks like a little smile. And that's to tell us that the A makes the short sound that says ah, like apple. Okay, and we always do the vowel last once we've decided what syllable type it is. So here's what I want you to do. I want us to put it in our notebooks to help us remember this rule. So you will need to get your student notebook and we're going to add it to the syllable section. So when you look on the side, there's a whole bunch of pages about syllables. Mine is on page 18 and it tells you, just like we talked about, what is a syllable and the rules for syllables. And then it has a little bit of space for you to put some examples. We are going to add 3 words that we can practice. Cat, up, and the word bath. So please go get your notebook and then we'll write them. We'll mark them all, scoop them and mark them all as closed. And then we will put the breve on top of all of them. Again, for me, this was page 18. That's 110 and an 8, 1 8. So you should pause right here so you can copy my words. Cat, up, and bath, all closed syllables. Okay, you got all these copied down? If you didn't, remember to pause and get that done. It's important. What are the 3 words we wrote? Cat, up, bath. Good. And what is the little thingy we put over the top of the vowel called? A breve. Very good. To show that it's the short vowel sound. Okay. Next, I would like you to get your not magnet boards, your Velcro boards. we're going to do some echo find letters and words. Okay, come on back as soon as you have your board. That looks like mine, but it's on your little folder. Okay, everybody, what says, point to the letter and tell me its name. Very good, it's F. Repeat after me. What says W? You should be pointing to two different cards. What are you pointing to? W and digraph, WH. Very nice. Repeat after me. I. What says I? That's right, it's I. Repeat after me. Am. What says am? Point to it on your board and tell me the letters. A-M. Am. See how my lips go together? If it was an, my tongue would be up, but my lips are closed. Am. Okay, let's do another glued sound. Unk. What says unk? U-N-K. You had to listen closely for the vowel and the ending. Unk. But this one would be ung. You have to listen to all the parts. One more. Ang. Ang. Spell it for me. A-N-G. Ang. Okay, now let's build some words. Repeat after me. Sat. Let's tap it and write it, or build it. S-at. Spell it for me. S. Good, spell it out loud. And then pull the Velcro pieces down to put it on your board, and I'll build it on mine. Okay, we're gonna play some word chains now. Make sure your sat looks like mine. Can you change sat to say chat? We need to have a chat. Only one card is changing. Make it say chat. Check it to mine. Can you change chat to say chit, like chit chat? Let's tap out chit. Ch, it. Which card will change? The vowel changes. Good. Change it out. Make it say chit. Okay, let's change chit to say chick. Which part will change now? Say chick. The ending sound. We need to make it from t to k. Go ahead, make that change. Did you remember it's CK? Because when we hear k right after a vowel at the end of a one syllable word, it's CK. Good for you. Let's change chick to say pick. One card will change. Which one? Pick. Okay, and we'll do one more change. Can you make pick say pack? Ack. Which one will change? The vowel. Good. Make it say pack. All right, great job. Let's spell it away. P-A-C-K. Make sure all your tiles are back in their correct spots, and you should clean up your things, and we'll have some fun next time. Great job.